Hello English learners, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So today I'm here with the magical trick with a magical thing that only one thing make me fluent. Yes, you heard it right. Today I'm gonna tell you, I will let you know each and everything that how my mobile became my partner, became my teacher, and became my source and resource of knowing and learning English and getting fluency. Yes, you heard it right. As I also had option to misuse it or to use it, to waste the time on mobile or to utilize my time, to watch the reels or to learn the reels, English reels. Yes, I was really passionate. One day I was just thinking how to improve my English. I was not getting any answer. Then I was just watching a reel that was teaching English, and the next one I used to see a YouTube video, obviously in English. Then I was just thinking that why I'm searching here and there if one thing is in my hand. And then I realized that if this thing is in our hand, it doesn't mean that mobile is in our hand. It means the universe is in your hand. It can be the university, it can be the partner, it can be the teacher, it can be the source, resource. It becomes everything, depends on you. How do you take it? So I decided to take it as my partner, as my university, as my teacher, and as my source of learning English. So I made it my source to learn English and to get fluency. And today the result is in front of you. And whatever I'm speaking in front of you just because of this mobile. Because I am a mother living alone with my son as my husband is out of the country. So I couldn't go, obviously I couldn't go anywhere to learn and to talk. Just I am busy all the day with my son who is 4 years old. So, and I really achieved it with the help of this mobile only, because lots of reasons are there. I can't go out of the home just to do anything, just to learn English. That's why I made my partner to my mobile. And today in this video I'm just gonna tell you that how did it help me to learn English. So let the cat out of the bag. Yes, let's reveal the secret how I used it, how it helped me. So the very first thing, what to do with your mobile, you have to change the language of your mobile. Yes, you heard it right. You have to change the language of your mobile into English, so that every notification, everything will be in English. You will chat in English, you will receive everything in English, you will consume English, you will be watching everything in English. Then what I used to do when I was the beginner, I used to listen the podcast. When early in the morning I used to wake up and sending my son to school after getting free from my household, getting free from sending him in school, I used to listen any podcast and a video, and kept my mobile anywhere from where I can listen the voice. Then I kept on listening the voice, and while doing my household chores, while cleaning, while washing the clothes, while dusting, while cooking, while preparing tea, while doing each and everything, I used to listen. For some time, I used to listen everything. Then, for some time, for some days, this was the only activity, just to listen all the time. Then when I became habitual of listening everything, then I started speaking with that video. Whatever I was listening, I used to speak the same way as the speaker used to speak in the video. Right? I used to speak, and I tried to speak with the with the same speed, with the same uh, pronunciation, same tone, same accent. I used to copy as we do in shadowing practice. As I had explained also in one of my video that how shadowing made me perfect. Sorry, I don't want to use that word perfect. Made me fluent. Yes, that would be suitable thing. Right now, I used to repeat. For some days, I used to listen only listening. Then for some days, I used to speak with the speaker. And this was my activity when I used to be busy in my work. While doing household chores, I used to listen and I used to speak. And after getting free from my duties, from my household chores, what I used to do, I used to subscribe so lots of English channels. Here what I want to make it clear that I didn't watch all the channels which I used to subscribe, but only few channels. The subscription is just because I unsubscribed all the Hindi channels, right? I subscribe because everything whatever I will be using, I will be listening, I will be watching, that would completely be in English only, because I didn't want to see anything in Hindi, not even by chance. That was the reason I used to subscribe English channels, that if I'm scrolling the videos, all the videos would be before my eyes just in English. That was the reason of subscribing the English channels and unsubscribing the Hindi channels. And I used to get the notification, and I used to get chatting with my friends, with my followers on social media, on WhatsApp status, on what should I say, Instagram, Facebook. I used to chat a lot only in English. I daily used to have status something written in English, right? So that I can improve my sentence structure. This was my next activity. And the next activity was, the another activity was, I used to listen and speak and used to watch the motivational English videos in order to get just motivated. This way I created an environment of English, because I am a mother, I'm living with my son, no any other person. That's why no one was there to talk to me. So I only used to keep on listening and talking in English with this mobile, with the help of this mobile. No human being was there with me. I used to listen English songs. Yes, you heard it right. It might be a Herculean task in the beginning, because when in the beginning we used to listen English songs, really guys, I didn't get even a single word when I started listening songs. But gradually it improved my English. As starting in the beginning I didn't know, but then after some days I came to know, I got an idea that I should listen the song with lyrics. Then the lyrics used to come and I used to listen the lyric, and I tried to copy the singer. And it was not only my mobile. I used to connect my mobile with my TV so that I can watch a big screen before my eyes while doing my work, and it would be easier for me to watch the video, to watch whatever I was watching, to listen whatever I was listening. So it became easier for me. So for some days I used to listen and read the lyrics. Gradually I improved, and after some days I used to listen songs, and I used to getting the words of the songs, and it was just an enjoying activity for me, because while doing household chores and you are at the same time you are singing, you feel happy, because listening music while working is an enjoyable activity, and I used to enjoy a lot. And when I used to get sit free after doing my household, after completing my household chores, I used to watch, listen carefully, and then off the video and try to speak whatever was there in the podcast or in the video, whatever was being listened with the same pronunciation, with the same accent, with the same. I used to copy a lot, but only with the help of, this was possible only with the help of my mobile. You are thinking it's your mobile, but this is not your mobile. This is the universe which is there in your mobile, in your hand. We don't need any other thing if we have this. This is the partner with you not only for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. A teacher, a partner can be with you for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. But this mobile is for you 24 by 7. You can get benefits 24 by 7, guys. And I got benefits with this mobile. And what was the result of listening English songs, chatting in English, having a status in English, listening English podcast, speaking with that podcast? How did it help me? It trained my eyes, because whatever my eyes was watching, it was only English. The notification, the videos, the speaking, my eyes used to get, my eyes was in the habit of watching English. Through my eyes, English got set in my mind. Through my ears, whatever I was listening, because no one, I'm alone here. No one, my husband is out of the country. I didn't listen any Hindi. I used to listen only English by my mobile, through my mobile. So my ear got trained. And when I used to practice whatever I was watching, whatever I was listening, whatever my eyes and ear setting into my mind, everything, when everything was there in my speaking, everything got trained. My eyes got trained, my ears got trained, my lips, my teeth, my tongue, the movement of the tongue, everything was in habit of listening, watching, and speaking only in English. And just because of the mobile, same can be with you. If it helped me that much, then it can also help you. And I had a massive change in my English. It was really when I was thinking about improving English, it was like a Herculean task for me. I knew it that it won't be like walking in the park. It won't be possible in the blink of an eye. I have to go through a long process. But I knew it that if I will be doing it with happy heart, happily, enjoy with the enjoyment, everything would be easy. Yes, it was possible. And if it was possible for me, it can also be possible for you. It the thing that I don't have partner, I don't have the teacher, I don't have the environment. These things are okay. If you don't have mobile, then this complaint can be justified. But if you have your mobile, these complaints can never be justified. You have mobile to train you. You have mobile to watch English. You have mobile to listen English. You have mobile to talk to English. And one more thing, ChatGPT is also there. I used to chat with ChatGPT. In the beginning, I used to chat with the ChatGPT, but uh, after some days, I came to know by fault that yes, I can speak with ChatGPT, and it can also reply with it can also reply by speaking. Then I can't believe that how wonderful I was feeling. It was just amazing, marvelous, super feeling when I used to speak with the chat GPT, and it used to answer by speaking, by voice. So whom are you waiting for? Just have mobile in your hand and just start. Don't stop chasing the rainbow. Start facing the reality. You don't have partner, face this reality, accept this reality, and start with this reality. Everything is possible. If, for example, just think for a while. If your eyes are watching English, if your mind is observing English, if your ears are listening English, then your mouth will speak English easily. Although it will need practice. Do this practice just for 1 month. Do this practice. I'm not saying that magic will happen. No, but the growth, the speed of your journey, the speed of your speaking, the speed of your fluency, it will get fast, then faster, then fastest. And after 1 month, you would be surprised to see the result, the massive result, the extraordinary result, the drastic result, the impossible result you will observe in yourself just doing these things. As I Let's revise what I told you. Change the language, subscribe all the channels only in English, unsubscribe the channels in Hindi. That yes, it would be difficult in the beginning. It would be like a hard nut to crack. I was also in a hot water. Yes, hot water means I was also in difficult situation. When you are in difficult situation, and then you can use it. I was in a hot water while unsubscribing my Hindi channels. What you have to do? If you are determined to learn English, then you have to do these things. Listen English songs, practice English with ChatGPT by speaking, speak, do shadowing practice, then no one can stop you. You will become unstoppable. I mostly use this word unstoppable because unstoppable means You yourself will not be able to stop yourself. You will enjoy as much as if you would if you would like at one point of time, at one point of yes time, you would want to stop. You would not be able to stop you. You will flow. You will flow in the ocean of English with the flow of water. You will be entered after 1 month of doing all these activities. You will enter in the world of English, where your growth will be like this. If you, now your growth is going like this, your growth after applying these things which I have told here in this video, you will enter, your speed will be like this, and it will open the door of opportunities. Once you are able to speak English fluently, now the doors of opportunities will be opened for you, and you will wonder for yourself. You will wonder on yourself that how is it possible? How can I get this job? How can I get? How can I pass my interviews in such a easy way? If you are a Hindi speaker and if you are an English speaker, the growth possibility is there. An English speaker can achieve anything easily. You won't struggle for passing the interviews, having jobs, or doing anything, because English not only give you speaking, it gives you the confidence. That confidence can never be achieved without speaking English. Yes, it would be like exaggeration, but I'm exaggerating because English is like this. That's why English has become the global language, just because of this reason. So use your mobile, try to improve, and try to kick off your journey with this mobile only. You don't need any other one. I also did it. I achieved it with the help of mobile. I can say with the guarantee that I wouldn't be as much fluent as I am today. I don't say that I'm proficient speaker, but I'm fluent enough to speak whatever I want to speak, and it wouldn't be possible without my mobile. Yes, I'm watching again and again. The time duration is getting longer than 20 minutes. Whenever I see, because I get in flow whenever I am sitting in front of the camera, I'm speaking and recording myself. Where I feel like speaking and speaking and speaking, and by chance when I see the time, when it gets longer than 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes sometimes, then I feel no, I should end up this video, because you might feel bored. I don't want to make you feel bored. I want to get inspired, that if a person like me, with no opportunities, with no partner, with no environment, with nothing at all, can improve English like this with the help of just mobile, you can also get improved. This is just to inspire you. And I should now end my video. And before ending the video, let me ask you to please like, share, and subscribe, so that I can get encouragement. I can get encouraged to make more such videos and to improve and to prove me and myself. No, I don't, because I always say I don't want to prove myself. I just want to improve myself, and my improvement will prove myself. Right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe, and bye bye.